How do you combat a client's fear of positioning when a be all things to all people seems like a safer strategy?
You got to point out companies like AIG. I mean, here's an everything for everybody insurance company, every kind of insurance. Years and years ago, I was working with them and I said to them, Hank and company, I said, your strategy should be America's answer to Lloyd's of London. Because that's the kind of insurance they were doing way back when. No, they wanted to be everything. They wanted to do indemnity, they wanted to do property, and the next thing you know, they're doing the kind of weird stuff that took them over the cliff. So in a way, your best is to simply point out that not too many companies find happiness trying to be everything for everybody. Because what you're doing is you become schizophrenic. How can you own an idea in the mind? You can't own everything in the mind. And you have to look at, and you have to come up with examples to show your management that this is not necessarily the way to go.
Would you call that being strong somewhere instead of weak everywhere?
Yeah, basically. Everything for everybody means you're sort of nothing in the mind. That's the problem.